Darren, we need to use your car.
You take my boat tactical?
Darren, we need your car now.
No room, bro. What the hell is going on here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who you, Grandpa? Hey! You like these boys, boys? You plan on taking off with these boys?
Go home, Dad.
Run with me, let's go! Drop the knife, don't stab him!